welcome back to TV's Important. So, let me get on my bed here. Okay. So you know how Christmas was yesterday? By the time I upload this video, it might be 2 days from now. I don't know when I'm going to upload this. But, I got a mic for Christmas. So, I also got a gift card to be on the blackboard. And I went shopping and got... Okay, so now I'm going to be pulling out of the bag. Let's see here. What am I pulling out of the bag? A Tabby Squishy. So it is a rainbow paw Tabby Squishy. It feels like really cool, but kind of undescribable. I would rate this around an 8 out of 10. Now I'm going to open it and see what it feels like here. So let's see. As you can see, it's also kind of like rainbow on the sides, and it looks like a paw print. It also has a resealable bag. So let me just open it here. And squish factor. Feels kind of like a cloud and like a squishy, soft. That's like a squishy that's soft. And in your hand, when you're holding it, kind of feels like fluffy-ish. And it feels really cool. I'd rate it around an 8 out of 10 for squishiness. Because once you sink your fingers in to like squish it, it kind of stops squishing after a little, but that's expected. Out of all this, I would rate it around, like all of it, around a 9.5.2. It's weird, but it's amazing and big. Okay, so next, let's see what I'm pulling out of the bag now. A blue capybara. So this guy is like cute. He has these little stretchy things on him that feel super duper cool on your hands. He has little eyes, little nose, little ears, and his little legs. Because of his little legs, I don't know if he can quite stand, but I can help him. So he has like air in him, so what is happening, like he feels cool to squish, but it's not the best squish on planet Earth, if you know what I'm talking about. So because he's air-filled, I'm gonna rate him like 9.7. If you have an air-filled squishy, it doesn't mean it's bad, it just doesn't have the best squish factor. He feels really soft. That's like the only word I can kind of think to describe him, like just like a squishy and soft merged. And he's like super cute and it's fun to squish, and that's my thoughts on him. Let's see what's in here. Oh! Number 3 is this little dude. So you can't quite see him. He's like a frog guy. I'm in person and I can barely see him, but it's like a little frog guy. He's a super duper sugar squishy. Top trends, ages 8+. That's what it says on the package. So like, there's these like bears from Five Below at my thing. From the Five Below I go to, and they're like filled with sugar. Kind of feels like that, but apparently he's super duper sugar squishy instead of just sugar. So let's open him. He is opened. Goodbye. He is opened. Yeah, I love him. He just feels like he's there, kinda. Like, he doesn't have any special stuff. He's just like your average, like, squishy. It's hard to describe. Like, if you've ever had like one of those sugar filled or whatever they're called squishies. That's what he is, yeah. So I like the way he feels. Can we do ASMR with him? No, but we tried. Okay, goodbye, buddies. Oh, just clunked on my floor. He's kind of hard. Okay, number 4 is these, not this dude, these. Okay, so they're like these magnet guys. And then you can like make different shapes with them because they have little magnets and then they're in that shape. On the back of the box, it shows that you can make that with them. I don't know if I have enough to make that, but it looks cool. I would open this, but like, they're magnets and you can make stuff with them. I don't know if it would be. I'll do it. Okay. Okay. I'm sorry to all the people out here who love boxes, but I have to open this one. Number 5 is this big dude. Okay. Okay. Slinky. Okay, let's take him out of the packaging. How do I open you? I open you like that. What? Goodbye. Okay. Let me get this unstuck. Because you know how like some Slinkies, when you get them, they're like kind of stuck together? There. I think it's unstuck. Unstuck. Get unstuck. Like, see how that's like clumping? You have to do. No, I got this because I've always dreamed of a Slinky. I've always wanted one. But I have got Slinkies. But this is big, as you can see. So, hopefully, I can put it on the top step and, like, it could, like, climb the stairs. So, let's go try that. Okay. Okay, guys, as you saw, that worked and that was super cool. I'm gonna play with that a lot. Okay. Number 6. Okay. That is our actually the last one, so wait! Did that hit my Christmas tree? Okay. The last one, number 6, is super cool. Well, all of them are super duper cool, but this one's cool, super cool too. It's this. So let's open it, and I'll tell you more. Cube. It's a bunch of different patterns on it, kind of like there. There, probably more if I open it. And then you open it, and it has these magical noodles. Just kidding. It has like noodles inside, and then you can like decorate the thing with the noodles and take them off and change it and everything. So let's open this. Oh, I went into this looking then about that. Alright. This is it. It has a ton of different like patterny stuff. And inside, you like lift up the top. And inside it has magical noodles. And then take the magical noodles out. Put the magical noodles back in. Bam. Then you can decorate it. They're not magical, but they're colorful. Okay, so let's decorate it real quick. Let's see. Oh, that's cool. So you like thread it through the design, kind of? It's, I would say it's weird, but it's really not. So like, you put it like that. Ah, no. There. And then you go there. Magical noodle number 1. I promise it's easier than this looks. For you, hopefully. I'm just kidding. Pad. I'm gonna yoink the magic noodles but I had to put them in a box because I don't trust myself to find all the magical noodles. They're also not magical, but I call them magical noodles. So like, it's that easy? It's that easy. You just peel off the top. Magical noodles. Stuff them inside the top. Put the top back on. Ah. I did not put the magical noodles in there good enough, so it's kind of like opening the top because I just stuffed them in there. But I promise yours will probably not do that because that was heavy, so I had to be careful. That is it. That is all of my stuff. I hoped you liked it, and yeah. Okay, guys. So I hope you like this video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and do the notification, like ding ding, and then hopefully you don't crack it because who would want to crack a bell? But make sure to hit it. And I hope you have a wonderful day and everything. Merry Christmas, Happy Hanukkah, Happy Kwanzaa, and Happy Winter Solstice. Bye, guys.